Assalamualaikum and greetings to our fellow viewers. On this video presentation, we will talk about determination of pH in skincare products, ensuring skin safety. These are our group members. First member is Amizatul Husna. Our second member is myself, Nurin Nadira. Our third member is Nur Hazarina. And last but not least, our fourth member, Humaira Adrina. So let's move on to the next slide.
So for the introduction part, objective of the experiment: first, to determine the pH of selected skincare product. 2. To compare result with the skin natural pH range. And 3. To evaluate whether the product are skin safe based on pH.
Assalamualaikum and hi, my name is Nurin Nadira. I will start presenting this slide. On this slide, we will talk about the importance of pH in skincare. So let's talk about why pH matters for our skin. Our skin naturally maintains a slightly acidic pH between 4.5 to 5.5 pH level, and this is called the acid mantle. This acidic layer is like a protective shield. It fights against harmful bacteria, locks in moisture, and keeps our skin barrier strong. But here's the problem. There are too many skincare products, especially harsh soaps or cleansers, that are too alkaline. When these high pH products disrupts our skin's natural acidity, we may face some consequences such as dryness, irritation, and even long-term damage. That is why measuring pH is not just for scientists, but it is a simple way to check if a product will work with our skin and not against it. By choosing pH balanced product, you are protecting that vital acid mantle and keeping your skin healthy.
The foundation of this study is based on the understanding that the skin has a natural, slightly acidic pH level, typically between 4.5 and 5.5, known as the acid mantle. This acidic environment plays a vital role in protecting the skin from harmful bacteria, maintaining moisture, and regulating enzymatic activity that supports skin renewal. When skincare products with pH level outside this optimal range are applied, they can disrupt the skin's natural balance, leading to irritation, dryness, inflammation, or even increased vulnerability to infection. According to the theory of skin barrier function, the outermost layer of the skin, the striatum corneum, requires a stable pH to function properly. A shift in this balance can impair the skin's ability to retain water and defend itself from external stressors. Chemically, pH also affects the stability and efficiency of ingredients in skincare formulations. For example, active ingredients like alpha hydroxy acid, beta hydroxy acid, and retinoids require specific pH range to remain effective and non-irritating. An unsuitable pH can cause this ingredient to degrade or become too harsh for the skin, such as dryness and irritation. This study is also supported by the theory of dermatological homeostasis, which suggests that any product applied to the skin should work in harmony with the skin's natural processes rather than disrupting them. Therefore, regular pH testing of skincare products is critical to ensure both safety and efficiency. By confirming that products fall within a skin-friendly pH range, manufacturers can help prevent adverse reactions and promote overall skin health.
Material needed for determination of pH test. First, we need pH meter for most accurate, or we can use pH test strip that are more quick and affordable. And then we need buffer solution, pH 4, 7, and 10 for calibration. And then we need distilled water for rinsing electrode. And then small beaker or container for sample preparation. Stirring rod or magnetic stirrer for homogeneous mixing. And lastly, we need skincare product sample like cleanser, toner, or moisturizer. Here are some step-by-step procedure using a pH meter. or the most accurate method. Step 1. Calibrate the pH meter. Turn on the pH meter and rinse the electrode with distilled water. And then dip the electrode into pH 7 buffer solution and then wait for stabilization and calibrate. Repeat with pH 4 for acidic sample or pH 10 for alkaline sample. Step 2. Prepare the sample. If the product is water-based, example toners or serum, measure directly. But if the product is thick, example creams and cleanser, dilute with distilled water 1:1 ratio and mix well. And step 3. Measure the pH. Immerse the pH meter electrode in the sample. Avoid touching container walls. Wait for reading to stabilize between 30 seconds to 1 minute and record the pH value. And step 4. Rinse and repeat. Rinse the electrode with distilled water between samples to avoid contamination. Repeat for all products. And this is the way of quick and low cost method that using pH test strip. Step 1. Dip the strip. Place a small amount of the product on a clean strip or dip into liquid sample. Step 2. Wait for color change. Wait between 10 to 15 seconds for the strip to react. And step 3. Compare with color chart. Match the strip color to the provided pH color chart and then record the pH value.
For your information, basically the gentle facial cleanser has an average pH of 5.2, which is very close to the skin's natural pH, making it suitable for daily use without disturbing the skin barrier, suitable for any skin types. Second, the hydrating moisturizer show an average pH of 6.8, which is slightly more alkaline than recommended and might cause mild dryness or irritation over time. It is also suggested to be reformulated to lower the pH closer to 5.5. The last one is the exfoliating toner. Exfoliating toner had a pH of 3.7, which is intentionally acidic to help remove dead skin cells and promote skin renewal. But users should be cautious because it can cause stinging and irritation if overused. I will explain about each product with example. For gentle cleanser, Constrix is one of the popular Korean beauty cleanser that is designed with a low pH which is 5.0 to 5.5 to maintain the acid mantle, gently cleansing without disrupting the skin barrier, suitable for oily, dry or combination skin. Second, the Ordinary is an exfoliate toner that's suitable for any skins with pH 3.5 until 3.7. It is work as stronger exfoliation. It is also affordable and effective. Also recommended use it for sensitive skin. The last one is Cerave Moist. Cerave Moist is the moisturizer with pH 5.5. It works because the product contains ceramide and hyaluronic acid. It is also fragrance-free and non-comedogenic, also suitable for dry, oily combination or sensitive skin. However, what if the product is too acidic or alkaline? First one, acidic product usually have a low pH that is below 4.5. For example, AHA or BHA toners or vitamin C serum also can cause redness and irritation, especially on sensitive skin, skin peeling or burning if too strong or overused, and the last one, it also can damage the barrier if used daily without care. Exfoliating toners is also need to use 2 to 3 times a week, but not daily, and also it need to follow by moisturizer and sunscreen. For alkaline product with high pH, usually above 7, for example, traditional soaps, harsh cleanser and some whitening cream. It can cause strip natural oils from skin. It can cause strips natural oils, causes dryness, tightness or flakiness from skin, and also destroy the skin barrier and make skin more prone to bacteria, acne and sensitivity. However, product can be used if the pH is around 7.0 to 7.2, might be tolerable for short-term use, but it is not recommended for daily use, especially for people with dry or sensitive skin.
So everyone, To conclude our presentation today, we have seen how determining the pH of skincare products is actually very important when it comes to maintaining healthy skin. Since our skin has a slightly acidic pH, which are around 4.5 to 5.5 pH levels. Therefore, products that are too alkaline or too acidic can disrupt this balance. By using simple analytical techniques like pH testing with pH meters or indicators, we are able to check if a product falls within the safe pH range for skin use. These methods are accurate, reliable, and even commonly used in both product development and quality control. This study shows how basic analytical chemistry is not just something we use in labs, but it can be applied in our daily life. From the products we use on our face to how we choose them, chemistry is everywhere. So, next time you grab a skincare product, remember pH matters. That is all from us. Thank you so much for watching, and we hope our video helps you better understand the science behind safe skincare. See you when I see you.